Natalie's doing. She's trying to get a chipmunk out of her tent.
Okay, watch everybody's head. Wait, am I crossed though? Good morning. We are down by the lake, which is just slightly down the slope from our campsite, which is really cool. It's such a stunning location. Hello, we had to escape into the tent. I'm sure you can hear it. I'm trying to be loud.
I love the scream.
I don't know, this is what I see Stephanie doing. So that was so exciting. I actually got a bite. It got away, but I was super excited. It was super fun. More exciting when I get bites. This is why you have children, to cook for you. Put some pants on, mister. Good morning. It is Saturday already. I can't believe this week has gone by so quickly. We got up, we had cinnamon rolls, then I showered. Oh, I love having a shower at camp. It is one of the best things Rob has ever done for me. Then we kind of picked up camp a little bit, and I think I'm gonna head down to the lake with the kiddos, and I'm gonna try fishing again. So we're not doing a whole lot. I will try and do better at updating you guys, but it's really hard to remember to film when we're spending time with family that we don't get to see all the time. So this has been an amazing weekend. I hope you enjoyed seeing the things we do get to show you, and keep watching because there's more to come. So Miss Kaylee, how many fish have you caught this weekend?
Caught one yesterday. I don't know how many fish I caught. I think like 4.
Zach, how many have you caught?
7.
7? Steph caught 8 yesterday, so what's her grand total?
13.
13. Were any of them big enough to keep?
Yeah, we could have kept them.
But we're catch and release.
Stop being a show off.
And we got Charlie.
Charlie, how many fish have you caught?
How many chipmunks have you caught, Charlie? So we were just relaxing, enjoying the day, and we just heard a giant rumble of thunder. No more rain, please. We've had so much rain this trip.
So how is doing dishes with that new setup?
I love it. I mean, I still take everything and I kind of get my sponge damp, I wipe everything down, soak it up, and then I basically just use it to rinse. And it just makes it very easy to get all my dishes clean. And it's actually pretty water efficient instead of trying to hold a bucket and run my stuff underneath it. So it makes me very happy. I don't know if you can hear the thunder rolling in. It seems to be getting closer. We're hoping it just passes us by. But I figure I might as well get all these done before the rain kicks in.
Especially that one.
I'm not seeing lightning, just the thunder.
Little thunder.
Stop it.
Little lightning.
Stop it.
Thunder, lightning, ears. Ah!
You never know.
Being friendly with all the natives. So it's lunchtime. We're still dry, but the wind has picked up.
Hiya!
So, we made yummy sandwiches. They had hot dogs, and because hot dogs are lunch food, not dinner food. Don't forget.
You okay? So did you enjoy all the wind?
No, I don't like the wind. I went and hid in the tent.
Was it loud in there?
Actually, it wasn't that bad. It was not nearly as bad as Oregon Pipe. It wasn't that bad, and it didn't last that long. It was definitely dealable. When it started getting bad, I was like, I'm just gonna go lay down. If it's too noisy, then I was gonna come back. Yeah.
But it worked out all right?
Yeah. Does it taste good? Brain free. Oh, smoke.
Pop up and then
Oh, sauerkraut. They eat sauerkraut. What's next? A winning.
what do y'all want to say?
Good thing you got a hammock.
Blue. Blurple. Blurple is a color.
You're so wrong.
Orange?
Orange.
Blue,
I said blue.
brown.
Blue. Blue.
Beige. Bisque.
Bisque.
Bisque is a color.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's what the old people buy.
Blurple. Brown.
Dishwashers and stuff like that, off-white color. It's called bisque.
It's ugly.
I've never heard of blurple before.
It's blue and purple. Yes, it is a color.
Vindication!
Where is my box of Crayolas?
Blurple's not good.
Oh, this is on the off-brand ones.
This is straight from the Crayola factory.
No, it's
Made
not
it
from the
myself.
Crayola
It's
factory.
Crayolettes.
It's
No.
purple on one end and blue on the other end.
There you go.
No, it's crazy art.
Stuck his tongue out. He's like,
Depends on the
It depends on the artist. Like my girl, she'll go back and forth, but you know the loud machines, they're now rechargeable machines. So it's no longer super loud. It's more of like a hum.
oh, so just whole.
Yeah, and then I'll chop them up.
So
You're gonna put them back on the thing and chop them.
Mm-hmm. Let's go. It's hot. That's not hot though.
No, we're even close to being ready. Oh, it's slippery now.
So what are you doing?
I'm petting the dogfish.
That is true. She caught a dogfish earlier.
Oh, Natalie missed her shot.
I know.
Way to go.
I should have been paying attention. I don't think Rob missed it. So Miss Stephanie, what are you making?
Sausage spinach pasta?
What do you need marinara for pasta?
No,
We're winging it.
not all pasta uses marinara.
Marinara. Natalie, can I borrow your duster?
Of course. Where is it? I don't know.
I saw back here, but it's kind of earlier.
If you have, I would put like a tablespoon or two of your pasta juice because that'll help thicken it up. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Counterclockwise.
How's it looking, Stephanie?
Looks good.
How's it?
Looks like we make it home.
I think it looks nice. It's okay, puppies.
That's kind of cool.
They smell terrible though.
Oh, they won't come over here.
Oh, there.
I wonder. Was there some?
There you go. I will try them.
Sodas.
For a second, I thought it was going to be like a deer.
Well, I looked up and I thought it was a moose.
That wouldn't be good.
What did you burn in our microwave, babe?
Lucky Charms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw a TikTok where if you put Lucky Charms in the microwave, the marshmallows will blow up like a regular marshmallow.
Uh-huh.
And
It's a lie.
Oh, it doesn't?
Nope.
Aw.
Cereal is burned.
And then it smells like
Burnt cereal.
Oh, did you put the whole cereal in there?
Yeah,
I thought
'cause
you
that's
would
what the guy did in the video.
I thought you would just put the marshmallows in.
So it was before gym, and he was like, "Huh, why not?" Pours a bowl of Lucky Charms, and he puts it in the microwave. How long did you put it in the microwave for?
Well, the original video was like 15, 20 seconds. I tried that. And then I kept doing it over and over and over and over again because nothing was happening.
Until they were toast.
Until I started getting the cereal was burning, and I was like, "This is stupid."
Yeah.
It
Smelled like
was
plain cereal for a couple hours.
Was the name of the two brothers who published the fairy tales Cinderella, Rapunzel, and Sleeping Beauty in 1812.
Here's your Disney question.
No, the Brothers Grimm?
Yep.
Yes, Brothers Grimm. Yeah, they were the first to collect all the fairy tales,
Gotcha. Okay.
and that's who Disney got them from. What scientist is famous for formulating the law of universal gravitation? Isaac Newton. And he did not. He did not invent the fig Newton. What is the Italian? I just love.
Named after the town in Iowa. Or whatever.
It's a big bang nod there.
I love when she learns something, so she sounds smart, and then she goes, oh, Fig Newton was. And he's like, really? That's what you remember. What is the Italian word for ham?
Prosciutto.
You are correct.
Dang.
How long is the average menstrual cycle?
Oh,
It's 8
7
days.
Well, like the full.
It's like
Month.
9. It's like 9 days.
Oh, it's what, 28 days?
28 days.
Yeah.
Century goldsmith Fabergé is best known for creating what type of object? So happy Sunday morning. It's almost noon. Took me a while to get going today. So we had an amazing 4 days with Zach, Stephanie, and Kaylee. I learned to fish. We had great food. It was, let me turn on the light. So we had a great time, great food, learned to fish, had an amazing time. We were spending time with family, so we didn't get to film as much as we normally would try, but we would do this again in a heartbeat. Camping is super fun, and it's one of the things they enjoy, so this was a really great weekend. I hope you enjoyed everything we did, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.